The Windows Start menu displays your applications and allows you to access programs. To open the Start menu, go down to the lower left corner and click the Start button. From there, you'll notice that I have my most recently added programs at the top, my most frequently used programs under that, and then all the other applications are listed in alphabetical order. Now, everybody's Start menu can look a little bit different because we have the ability to customize our Start menu. If you look right here where I'm pointing, this is the Settings button. If you go into the Settings and then into Personalizations and then go into the Start menu, you will be able to customize your Start. Now you'll notice here that it says Show App List on Start menu. If I turn that off and then click Start, you'll see that the list of applications is no longer showing. However, if I click right here and I choose All Apps, that's how I would then see it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that back on because I like my applications to show. And then if you click this button, Show Recently Added Apps, that would turn off your recently added applications from the top. And this one, Show Most Common Used Apps, I'm going to turn that one off. And now you've seen that I've removed my recently added programs and my most commonly used programs. And now I just see my applications in alphabetical order. I'm going to go ahead and turn those back on. So you have a list of options here that allow you to customize your Start menu. You can also customize your Start menu by pinning the applications that you use most often in this section over here. Now, when you pin applications over to the left or to the right, you can organize them in the groups in which you use the programs. So for example, I use my Microsoft Office products a lot, so it makes sense that I would create a group that shows all of my Microsoft Office products. So to do that, I simply right-click on the product that I want to add to the side, and I choose Pin to Start. Now, I want this to be its own part of its own group, so I'm going to click and drag down here, and I'm going to place it underneath that bar. Now, when it says, if I point at that bar, it says Name Group, I just click inside that bar, and I can type in Microsoft Programs and press Enter. And then if I want to add another program, I right-click and choose Pin to Start, and then I can drag it down there. And then I'm going to go ahead and add Microsoft Excel, right-click, Pin to Start, and I'm going to add Access, right-click, Pin to Start, and then I'm going to just drag those and place them in this section. And if I want to add another section, let's say I want to have a group of my Adobe products, I can right-click, Pin to Start, and here's my Photoshop, right-click, Pin to Start, and I'm going to drag these and put them in their own group, and I'm going to click in the bar and type in Adobe Programs and press Enter. Now, I can remove an entire group, or I can unpin things that I have listed over here. So if you currently see a bunch of things in your Start menu that you don't want to see, simply right-click and choose Unpin from Start, and that will remove that from the Start menu. If you want to get rid of an entire group, right-click, Unpin Group from Start, and that will allow you to customize your Start menu. You can also make your Start menu bigger or smaller by resizing it this way. So you'll notice that I have my resize handle, and I am just clicking and dragging, and I can resize in that way. If you want to open up programs in from the Start menu, you just simply click on the Start menu, and then you click on the program that you want to open. Or you can go ahead and click the Start menu, and then you can type the program that you want to open and open it that way. So those are just some quick little things about your Start menu.